Hello guys, welcome to Wondershare Filmora course season 3, and today we will try to create this shrink like Ant-Man. Let me show you how to recreate this superhero live action scene using the Wondershare Filmora 13. This is Shukesh and let's get started. First, shoot some videos of yourself, preferably standing in front of a wall. I also kept a little plant to give some perspective. After clicking the shrink switch, do some acting like looking upwards because you are getting smaller. Next, shoot a close-up video of the plant. You can keep the remote beside it and it will be from this low angle. Lastly, we need another clip. You are jumping on the floor. It's after you got shrunk. Do the acting as needed, like I am looking at the plant. I have placed these 3 videos on the video layer 2 in the timeline because in the layer 1 we will use a blank clip of the wall, so make sure you have a clip of the wall without you as well. Find the moment you hit the shrink key, then split the clip into 2. Now we need to separate the person from the background. In the Filmora 13 video editor, there is an AI tool called Smart Cutout. So double click and in AI tools, you get the option. You can also use AI portrait if you have a good green screen background, but if you don't, the cutout might not be perfect. So let's click Smart Cutout, then click to start Smart Cutout feature. Scroll to the first frame. Roughly mark the area you want to cut. This AI tool can automatically select the whole person. You can also check using these tools whether it is perfectly selected or not. So once you are satisfied, click to start the process. It's done. Click Save. As you can see, the background has been removed. For the background, we will use the clip of the blank wall. Now for uniform look, we will also apply Smart Cutout to the previous clip, but once again, if you have a studio setup with green screen, proper lighting, you can skip this part. Make sure you don't cast any shadow to the wall or green screen. Next, we will be doing some animations using keyframes. So we need to shrink this person. Go to the first frame, double click. In the video tab, you will get the keyframe icons, so click here and also to the position keyframe. Then move the playhead around 1 second. Now scale down the person. Also change the Y and X axis to reposition the person beside the plant. Let's make it a little smaller. There you go. This is the end result. So cool, right? Now we are at the last scene. This is the close-up of the plant and also me acting like I'm really shrunk. Using Smart Cutout, I will remove the background. So it's done. Now let's resize the frame. Of course, we will not be using keyframes this time. Just place it beside the plant and the remote. For proper continuity, you can delete this part and go directly to the last scene. So let's place it here and the video is almost ready. I used this neon ring 2 effect on the video. From the effects tab, you can change the properties. You can also add drop shadow to the cutout so that it looks more seamless. Lastly, I have added some sound effects from the sound menu of Filmora 13 for the remote click and also for the shrinking effect. So guys, that's how I made the video. It's not that hard. Try it yourself on the Filmora 13. This is the end of episode 1. Stay tuned for episode 2. Thank you so much for watching.